we have 2 garage sales in our sights, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be going to garage sales and we're gonna be buying stuff and trying to resell it for more money. What's going on, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my car, and I see 2 garage sales right ahead of me. It's early in the morning on a Saturday, and that's what we're gonna do here on this vlog. We're gonna go check out what we can find to resell. Got 2. There was only supposed to be 1 garage sale, but we got another one right here as well. This is a cool crate over here. All right, so the first find of the morning is this Sony PS242 direct drive turntable, right? For playing LPs. Pretty neat. Has obviously the cords and everything. Has a Shure needle as well, so that's kind of interesting. This was $10, and I think I can get this thing resold for around $100. So pretty neat. Should work fine when I get home. Also, I could list it as untested, which I probably will do. But yeah, these things, you will need an amplifier as well to pair it up with, and some speakers to test something like this out. But this is a pretty good find for $10 this morning already. So again, not a bad find, but let's see what else we can find this morning. I think I probably have 6 garage sales to see today, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. All right, there's a garage sale back there. Don't know if you can see it. Didn't really look that great, but I kind of, looked around, and for $2, I got 2 Charge HR Fitbits, which is pretty neat. Now, the little, what's it called? This thing right here, which is usually this part that goes right here, they've been cut on both, so they're not brand new, but they are in the box and they look awesome. This is a size small, this is a large. Resale probably 10 or 20 on both or each, something like that. We also got this Radio Shack 4x4 off-roader, and this is a vintage RC to Bucks find right here. This will probably resell for like 30 to 50, maybe more, but that's what I'm thinking right there. Nothing super crazy, no controller with it, but I'm excited to see what the next garage sales will provide us today. Okay, next garage sale should be somewhere around here. I think, is it that stuff? I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. I had a very vague description, so this makes me kind of wonder what's actually at this garage sale. They said they have a lot of rugs, which is a weird thing to say. I'm not looking for, well, I kind of am looking for rugs, but not really. It's not exactly what I want to buy all the time. But let's take a look what's in it. All right, so from that garage sale, picked up these vintage Justin cream colored boots. Pretty neat, size 9.5B. They need to be, scrubbed down and everything like that. There's a little bit of wear and tear on this one right there, as you can see, but it's all good. And some free protein. It's crazy, unopened. So yeah, we got some Justin boots right here. These are really cool. This is probably $100 in my booth all day. This cream color, and they also have kind of like a wingtip to them. Look at that. It's so awesome. Anyway, that was the actual find from that garage sale. Next garage sale is kind of like at these film studios here in Austin. So this is like a warehouse sale, and there's stuff in the parking lot. And each time I've come to this sale, because this happens like once a year, I found some really cool stuff. So we're gonna take the camera in there and check it out. Yeah, this could be good. I'm glad it's this place. I thought it was gonna be this place, and I'm really glad it's this place. Let's go. A lot of times you can find some vintage things and props and stuff like that, so we'll see. So from that little sale, we got this laptop, pretty thick leather, Buffalo Jackson Trading Company, like a laptop bag, right? Like a messenger style bag, pretty cool. Paid $10 for it. And in the booth, we can get between like, I would say about 60 to 80 for this all day. People love this kind of stuff in the booth. It's crazy. Next garage sale is over here, and it actually popped up on Craigslist like 2 hours ago. So it wasn't there last night, but the pin drop was there this morning. So I'm gonna go check this thing out. It could be pretty good. Oh, it's one of those new Volkswagen vans. Check that out. So from that garage sale, probably the biggest winner of the whole day. Total home run, $40. This vintage what it looks like this vintage Frankfurt leather size small leather biker jacket. This is such a home run. It's crazy. I mean, everything is just perfect on it. And the icing on the cake, check this out and wait for it. Here we go. Look at this. Look how unique that is. So this is actually like a $200 to $400 jacket in the booth, probably on eBay as well. So I'm gonna be looking all that up and figuring out if I'm gonna clean it or not, or put it on eBay, but more than likely in the booth, this is a $200 to $400 jacket all day. It's that unique. So pretty awesome find for probably the last garage sale of the day, I would think. I'm gonna keep looking, but I'm pretty sure this is where the end of my route is. But this is an absolute score. I knew that garage sale was gonna be good because it was posted late and it had a lot of good keywords. And so when I look at the keywords posted late, I'm like, all right, there's probably not gonna be much competition here. And sure enough, you find something like that. And she was first asking $75 for that jacket. And then she's like, you know what? You look like you like it. 50, you know? And then I putted around the garage sale. I kept it in my hands because there were some people there, you know? And then I was like, look, is there any realm, and I use this exact sentence, is there any realm that we can get to 40 bucks on this thing? And she looked at me and she's like, you know, for you, fine. 40 bucks is a total steal for that jacket. I cannot believe it. I can't. It's crazy. Maybe we can find one more garage sale, but probably not, but maybe we can find one more. We'll see. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much the last garage sale. I tried to find something else, but I found a bike instead, but that belongs on the other vlog. And I found it from Facebook Marketplace, so not technically a garage sale. Doesn't belong on this vlog. But I thought we found some great things today, and this leather jacket is looking to be the home run of the day. I'm actually listing it right now. Looks really good. But if you enjoyed this content and you found it interesting, or it inspires you to go out and thrift and go to garage sales, then hit the like, put a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.